Cooking TV.
Okay, so gagamitin namin yung non-stick pan tsaka a little bit of oil. You can use any oil. Just, kumbaga, gigisahin muna namin lahat. So, unahin muna namin yung onion. Siyempre, gigisahin ko na yan. Medium heat lang. So, giginigisa to, tapos ngayon, lalagay na namin yung pork ngayon. Para uminit siya along with it. Haluan lang siya, haluin lang. Mix it all together. Ngayon, lalagay na namin yung yung sile.
Haluin lang siya ulit.
Smells good already. Ngayon, lalagay na yung lemon, squeeze of lemon all over it. Ooh, yummy! Pwede nyo i-save yung lemon para sa huli. You can use it as a decoration.
Ayaw.
Nor, tansyahin nyo lang usually just enough to cover the whole sisig. So, you're just gonna put it all over it.
Smells good already.
Yep, smells good already. So, let it boil. So, kumbaga, ipapakuloyin muna namin. So, pagka kumukulo na, pwede natin ilagay yung mayo of choice natin, which is Kewpie Japanese mayo. Usually, ilalagay mo dito just enough to cover the whole
sisig.
The whole sisig.
So, it's up to you kung gaano karami yung gusto mo.
Smells good already. Oh man.
Let it simmer.
Yep. Let it steam. Ngayon, luto na siya. So, we're gonna turn up the pan, of course. So, we're gonna put it in a bowl.